I'm actually on my way home because last night I lost my car. Yo, it is bacon in this piece. I am leaving my house for the first time, waking up officially to, what is it, 2:30? I need to quit. I could have done a lot of things earlier. Look at me, hot ass mess. But I have a thing, like when something's on my mind, if I'm not doing that thing, I can't do nothing else. And I need to learn that. Because in the process, nothing gets done because I'm always thinking about what I need to be doing. With that being said, I want to go to the nail salon and get these toes and these fingers situated. And that's why I have not done anything all day. I haven't worked out. Am I going to the gym today? You know what? We was on a high a few days ago. The steering wheel is hot as hell. I don't even know why I'm driving right now. We was on a roll a couple days ago when it first started. Now we off that. And I'm trying to get back on that. You know, we trying to fall in love with working out. You feel me? So I'm not gonna make any promises, but I do want to go to the where am I going? I do want to go to the gym. But yeah, let's just try this nail salon one more time. Get me high like you. I'll call you my shawty. I can't stand to see you treated better. Day 2. Trying to get my toes and my nails right. Rare moment in New York City history. Some guy tried to talk to me, and I said no. And he respected my wishes. Rare New York City moment. Yo, why in real life it just started raining like crazy? Like, just got my nails done. I'm feeling them. But they didn't have the color for my toes. Like, I'm never going back to that place ever again. My toes don't match, and I have an attitude about it. But I already left, so yeah. Yo, it was just beautiful out. Now it's pouring, like. Yo, like, I'm not even trying to drive in this because I already know what's up. Okay, so I actually forgot that I was vlogging, and I went into a store to look at my skin, y'all. I don't even know if it's improving, but I went into the store to get I'm going out later to turn up with my buddies, and I went to get like some accessories, some simple things. Look at this necklace, isn't it gorgeous, darling? I need to really take care of my skin. Like, I'm really shooting and I'm really ashamed, and I really don't know if I'm gonna post this because I know my skin is horrid. Okay. But yeah, I think right now, because enough spending in Guapington, I'm gonna get some gas and head home. I had to clean today and do the gym, you know, regular stuff. So I'm gonna go home, pray to God that I clean, because I'm gonna feel like crap if I leave the house and I'm looking crazy. My house is looking crazy. So, and I might really go to the gym because the dress that I bought today is a little form-fitting and my little gut is gonna be out. So to make myself feel better, like, or feel like I'm doing something, I might just go work out because it's gonna make me feel like, you know, I'm gonna lose a couple pounds by tonight and I'm gonna look good in that dress. But we all know the truth here. Yeah. All right, y'all. On my way home. Gorgeous. Nice. Fucking lit. Okay, it's currently 2 o'clock in the morning and we're just getting where we need to be. This is Janae.
Hey guys.
Yes. So I know where the spot is, but I didn't think they tried to be like it's a new location.
We're 3 minutes away.
Yeah. So it's 2 o'clock and we're just getting there and we'll see what happens.
Listen, ladies, little booties matter all 2018, but I love my thick girls too. All my thick girls out tonight. Ladies! Yeah, my shout to all my 90s babies that know the shit.
Honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas.
Just another lit ass night, y'all. I'm actually on my way home because last night I lost my car. So I Ubered it home to realize that my house keys were in my car, and I lost my purse. But I just so happened to take my car keys out of my purse for whatever reason. So I actually used my mom's car to drive downtown to find my car, which is successful. It is behind me. My friend is driving my car, but my purse is still MIA in Manhattan because the place doesn't open till 4. For whatever reason, my money. Sorry, get my car, my money, ID was behind my phone. Where you going? I don't know. And I fell. I think I broke my goddamn toe. Did I break my toe for real? I think I did. My pinky toe is swollen. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Why am I still recording? My goddamn toe.